Ever heard that leaving the air conditioning off or filling up in the morning are the best ways to save on fuel? Well, those old tips might just be myths that are emptying your wallet instead. Stick around as we reveal 9 fuel misconceptions that might completely change how you drive and fill up. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 1, premium fuel is always better. Many drivers see the word premium and think it must mean better performance and mileage for their car. But here's the catch. Most vehicles aren't designed to take advantage of it. Premium fuel typically contains a higher octane rating, which prevents knocking in high compression engines. And while that's essential for sports cars and luxury vehicles, standard commuter cars won't see any benefit. Here's where it hurts. Premium fuel costs significantly more, up to 50 cents per gallon extra in some areas. A study by AAA found 70% of vehicles on the road don't even require it, with no measurable improvement when it's used unnecessarily. So, unless your car's engine truly demands it, you're just burning money. Stick to the recommended fuel grade to keep your car happy and your wallet fuller. Number 2, warming up your car for several minutes saves fuel. Does starting your car early and letting it idle for a few minutes actually save fuel? This might have been true decades ago, but with today's modern engines, it's simply unnecessary. In fact, this outdated habit drains your tank without providing any real benefits. Modern fuel-injected engines are designed to operate efficiently from the moment you start driving. Idling for long periods not only wastes gas, but also produces more emissions. According to experts, engines warm up faster when the car is moving, not sitting still. So next time, resist the urge to leave the engine running while waiting. You'll save money, time, and even reduce your environmental impact. Number 3, fuel additives boost mileage. It's no surprise fuel additives are tempting. They promise better mileage, cleaner engines, and even cost savings over time. The reality, though, is that most of these products aren't what they claim to be. Many popular additives target fears about engine buildup or inefficiency, but modern fuels already contain additives designed to protect and optimize performance. Take this. Unless your car manufacturer specifically recommends an additive in your manual, using one is unlikely to make a measurable difference. A Consumer Report study tested several fuel additives and found no significant mileage boost in vehicles running on standard gasoline. Number 4, filling up in the morning gets you more gas. Filling up in the cool morning air might sound like the perfect way to get more gas for your dollar, but science says otherwise. The idea comes from the fact that liquids expand with heat, so cooler fuel should theoretically be denser, giving you a slight edge. While this may have been true many decades ago, modern fueling systems have eliminated the temperature variable completely. Gas stations store fuel underground in insulated tanks that keep it at a consistent temperature no matter the weather outside. This means you're pumping fuel at nearly the same density whether it's morning, afternoon, or night. Even extreme heat barely affects the fuel temperature in these well-protected tanks. So, if you've been adjusting your schedule for early morning fill-ups, save yourself the trouble. Number 5, cruise control always saves fuel. Cruise control is often seen as a reliable tool for saving fuel, but here's the truth. It's not always the most efficient option. While maintaining a constant speed on flat highways can improve mileage, that same feature can work against you when driving through hilly areas. The issue arises because cruise control doesn't anticipate changes in elevation. When you approach an incline, it automatically increases throttle to maintain speed, leading to excessive fuel use. Conversely, on declines, it may delay reducing throttle, missing opportunities to save energy naturally. This constant adjustment can result in more fuel burned overall compared to manual control. Use cruise control strategically. Stick to smooth, level roads for the best savings. On that note, misconceptions about manual transmission and fuel efficiency might need a second look. Number 6, manual cars are always more fuel efficient. For years, manual transmissions have been praised for their fuel efficiency, but modern technology has changed the game. Automatic transmissions, once known for being less efficient, have advanced so much that many now match, or even outperform, manual cars in fuel economy. The key lies in innovations like continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, and multi-speed automatic gearboxes. CVTs, for example, adjust seamlessly to engine demands, keeping the car in its most efficient power band. Meanwhile, some modern automatics have up to 10 gears, allowing for smoother transitions and optimized performance at any speed. A real-world example? The 2023 Toyota Corolla, equipped with a CVT, delivers nearly the same mileage as its manual counterpart, and in some cases, slightly better. Manufacturers have focused heavily on refining automatics to appeal to a wider audience. Number 7, topping off the tank gets you more fuel. Do you think think squeezing in just a little more gas after the pump clicks off gives you extra fuel? It's a common habit, but one that could work against you. Most modern gas pumps are equipped with a vapor recovery system designed to capture harmful fumes and return them to the station's storage tank. When you overfill, that excess fuel can enter the vapor recovery line, meaning you're paying for gas that isn't even making it into your tank. Even worse, consistently topping off can damage your car's evaporative emission system over time. This system is meant to control gas vapors, but overfilling can cause liquid fuel to flood it, leading to costly repairs. Number 8. Air conditioning wastes. More fuel than open windows. Does rolling down your windows really save more fuel than using air conditioning? It's not that simple. While air conditioning can reduce fuel economy by up to 25% on short trips, that's not the whole picture. Open windows introduce aerodynamic drag, a force that works against your car as it moves. And the faster you drive, the more it impacts your fuel efficiency. At highway speeds, this drag becomes significant enough to cancel out any savings from avoiding AC. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, using air conditioning at higher speeds can actually be the more fuel-efficient choice because it minimizes drag compared to having your windows down. In city driving or at lower speeds, though, windows down can be a better option. The takeaway? Base your choice on your driving conditions. On highways, opt for AC. In slower settings, feel free to let the breeze in. Number 9. Fuel economy doesn't drop with age. Does an older car automatically mean getting worse gas mileage? Not necessarily. Age itself isn't the main culprit. Neglected maintenance is what often drives fuel efficiency down over time. When important components wear out, your car's engine has to work harder, consuming more fuel in the process. Take spark plugs, for instance. Over time, these tiny parts lose their effectiveness, leading to incomplete combustion and wasted gas. Clogged air filters are another offender, restricting airflow to the engine and forcing it to burn more fuel to maintain performance. Even something as simple as underinflated tires can increase rolling resistance, making your car less fuel efficient. On the flip side, regular maintenance like replacing worn parts, changing oil on schedule, and using the recommended grade of motor oil can keep your car running efficiently. The bottom line? Fuel economy depends on how you care for your car, no matter its age. By now, it's clear that these 9 fuel myths aren't just harmless misconceptions. They're quietly draining your wallet. From pouring money into premium gas you don't need to overusing cruise control on hills, these habits may seem helpful but add up to unnecessary expenses. The good news? Small adjustments have real impact. Simply using the recommended fuel grade, skipping that extra idle time, or maintaining your car regularly can lead to noticeable savings at the pump. Which of these myths have you believed? Let us know in the comments. Remember, little habits can make a big difference in how much you spend on fuel.